Today we'll see business partner configuration. First one is BP grouping. BP grouping controls the number ranges and the number assignment for the business partner. First we have to define the number ranges. How to define the number ranges? SPRO, cross application components, SAP business partner, basic settings, number ranges and groupings. Define the number ranges. Okay, so we'll go SPRO, SIF reference IMG, cross applications, SAP business partner, basic settings, number ranges and groupings. First we have to define the number ranges. Okay, so first for defining the number ranges, we'll go to the slide. Number range grouping. Okay, so this is intervals. What is interval? Z3. So click in interval Z3 from four zeros, 7, 4 zeros, 2, 11, 0. So we define the number range, save it. And Z4, we'll define another number range, Z4. Z4 is 0 to 2, save the number range, then $11, 0, 9, 9. Triple 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. So we go to define groupings and assign number ranges. Define groupings and assign number ranges. Domestic 1. We'll define one grouping for domestic, one grouping for foreign. New entries. TO1, ZDO. And we define one BP grouping for foreign vendors. Save this. Okay. Jet domestic one. What is next? So we have completed for BP grouping. We have defined the number ranges and we have defined the BP groupings and assigned the number ranges already defined here. Then we'll go to supplier account group. Okay. Supplier account group. How to go there? SPRO, Logistic General, Business Partner, Suppliers. Logistic General, Business Partner, Suppliers. Define account groups and field selection. Here, we take this, we copy as Jet domestic vendors 1, Jet DV 1, vendor, save, then we copy Jet foreign vendor 1, save these entries. We have to define the number ranges for supply master intervals. For foreign vendors, domestic vendors and foreign vendors, number ranges we have to define. So we have to define the same number ranges, similar number ranges as per BP grouping. So we use the same number range. Jet 3. So we'll introduce Jet 3. And we have to keep it as external. Save this entry. And we define another number range, Jet 4. And this also we have to keep external. And we have to click on save. Okay. So number ranges we have to assign. We'll find our account group Jet DV1. Here we'll keep Jet 3. And for foreign vendor, Jet 4. We'll take. Okay. And we have to save these entries. Now we have defined supplier account groups and supplier number ranges we have assigned to the account groups. Now, suppliers is over. Similarly, we have to define customers. What is the path for customer account group? SPRO, Logistic General, Business Partners, Customers, Control. Okay. customers and again control, and we have to define account groups and field selection for customers. Okay, we have to define, select this and copy as check domestic customer 1. Check domestic customer 1. Domestic customer 1. And we have to define another one. Copy this. Domestic foreign customer. Check FC1. Foreign customer. Foreign customer 1. This is another account group. Okay, you have to save it. Now we have to define the number ranges. Define and assign the number ranges. Same SPRO path. Okay, and we have to choose define and assign customer number ranges. Define number ranges for customer intervals. You have to click on Z3 and you have to keep this as external. This, save it, and you define another number range Z4 from here. External, we have to keep it. Save the entry. So assign number ranges to account groups. Or what is our account group? D. So we have to assign. We have to assign Z3 and Z4. Z3 and okay. So you have to ensure that both should be external. Why? Because when you are creating a supplier from business partner, for business partner, internal number is assigned. For supplier, it will take from the external assignment. Okay, and similarly, we have to re-ensure for the supplier master also external number is selected. Customers, this is suppliers. Define number ranges for supplier master, number range. Intervals, external is selected. Okay, so now what we have done till now what we have done is we defined BP grouping. We have defined number ranges for BP grouping. We assigned the number ranges for the defined BP grouping. Now supplier account group also, we defined 2 account groups for supplier. Supplier here, we can see suppliers, partner suppliers, and then control. Define. So we have done this. So next step, what we have to do is we have to keep this customer vendor integration. For that, define number assignment for direction BP to vendor. Here, this also I have to correct. BP to customer. Please remember that customer. Please remember that vendor is also called as supplier. Okay. So what we have to do, define number assignment in cross applications. We close this. You have to open cross applications, master data synchronization. Can you see here? Master data synchronization. Cross application, SPRO, cross applications. In cross application only you will find this. Otherwise, you will not find the master data synchronization. Cross applications, master data synchronization. So this also I'll correct. Go here. Here. Here also I'll correct it. Okay. So what we'll do is cross application master data synchronization. What is the path? Master data synchronization, and then customer vendor integration, and business partner settings, settings for vendor integration, then assign keys, define number assignment for direction BP to vendor. So when we are creating supplier through BP, what is the number assignment we have to specify? Here we have to go here. New entries, domestic group 1, ZDO1, domestic to ZDV1, domestic vendor 1. And you have to keep same numbers. Okay. Then Z foreign vendor, Z foreign vendor 1. And you have to click same number assignment. So you have to save this in. Now we are done for sub vendor, that is for supplier. Now define number assignment for direction BP to customer. What we have to do? Close this. Settings for same path, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, settings for customer integration, field assignment for customer assign keys, then define number assignment for direction BP to customer. Okay. So new entries. Find number assignments. Let me put a pause here. What we'll do is new entries, we have to click Z domestic 1, same number range, and Z foreign 1 and Z foreign customer 1, same number. We have to save it. This is how we do we have completed the number assignment for direction BP to customer. So what we have done, just to recap, business partner configuration. Define number assignment for direction. Sorry. So let me see. Okay. Here, business partner configuration. We have defined number ranges for BP grouping. And after defining the number ranges for BP grouping, we have defined BP groupings and assigned number ranges to the defined BP groupings. Now we defined supplier account group. We have defined supplier account group. Supplier account groups we have defined. That is, supplier account group means vendor account groups. DV1, FE1. Okay, we defined same, we maintain same number ranges for domestic and foreign, similar to account BP grouping. Then we define customer account group. We maintain the same number range for domestic customer and foreign customer.